Hello everyone! Hello po mga mamshies and papsi of all over the world. Welcome to Team Mercado's vlog. For today's vlog, pag-uusapan po natin on how to get SIN or SIN. SIN stands for Social Insurance Number here in Canada. Kailangan po natin yan, especially sa mga newcomers, kasi lahat po ng ating gagawin, mapa-work man yan, mapa-banks man yan, kailangan talaga ng SIN. So where to get this SIN? Actually, makukuha po yan sa Service Canada. Ang Service Canada ay marami pong offices in each province and even in its cities. So hindi ka po mahihirapang maghanap ng Service Canada. And there are 3 ways on how to get it. Unang-una po, you can go to the Service Canada in person. And pangalawa, pwede kang kukuha din yan through online. And pangatlo, by mail. In our case po, actually, this is a post vlog about it. Kasi last 2022 pa po kami nakakuha niyan 2 days after we arrived here in Canada. But bakit ko po ito na i-vlog today? Kasi nagkataon po na just recently, 2 days ago, nag-renew po kami. When applying to get a SIN or an SIN and to renew is almost the same. The same lang po ang proseso. Okay. So, bakit pa kailangan natin kumuha ng SIN or SIN? Kasi, kailangan natin yan to access to government program and benefits. And of course, for the income reporting purposes. Pero it doesn't mean na pag meron ka ng SIN is pwede ka na makahanap ka agad ng trabaho. Of course, may mga other documents or requirements pa rin needed. Isa lang po yon na requirement sa pag-a-apply natin, pagpunta natin sa bangko, or any other na mga documents or any other na mga nilalakad natin na kailangan ng SIN. But be sure na kailangan natin ingatan ang SIN. Kasi for example, maibigay po natin yan sa mga mapagsamantala or they will have to make or use it in a fraud. Tayo po ang mananagot kasi SIN po natin yan. For example, sa mga kalokohan, tayo pa rin po ang liable sa or responsible pa rin po natin yung ating na-purchase or kung ano man po yung pinagagamitan ng ating SIN. So, kailangan po nating mag-careful. Okay, so unang-una po, ang i-share ko po is how to renew it by person or to apply it in person. Of course, pipila po tayo doon at meron pong receptionist doon na magtatanong sa iyo kung ano ang kailangan mo doon sa Service Canada. And may fill upan po silang form or kaming form na fill upan and here it goes, yung ipapakita ko po sa inyo. After po niyang i-fill up, we will have to wait again until our names will be called. Once po na matawag na po nila yung pangalan natin, pupunta po tayo doon kasi may mga individual kiosk po doon sa loob. And then, pag nandoon na po kayo sa loob, kukunin po nila yung iyong mga documents. So ano po yung mga documents na kailangan? What to bring? Unang-una, a valid original primary document to prove your identity and legal status in Canada. A work or study permit issued by Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada or IRCC. Second, a valid original secondary document to confirm your identity. You have your passport with you, whether Canadian or a foreign, a provincial or territorial ID card or driver's license, and any other government-issued ID. Kung meron po kayo yung tinatawag nila na photo ID card issued by the government, you can have it also or you can present it to them. Okay, so Once you are already there inside the kiosk, yung kasama or kaharap mo na po yung Service Canada representative, marami po silang itatanong sa iyo. Of course, based lang din po doon sa mga documents na sinusubmit mo. Based lang doon sa study permit, work permit, or passport. They will have to ask your name, full name, your birth date, your birthplace, kung saan po kayo pinanganak. And meron din silang ipapabasa sa iyo na mga precautions on how to take care your SIN. Okay, so after that, in just 20 minutes, kasama na yung pagpila mo, kasama na yung pag-interview sa'yo, in just 20 minutes more or less, you can have your SIN right away. Mapa-new application man yan or mapa-renew man yan, napakabilis po nilang mag-issue. Andoon agad. Okay, and you're good to go. Kasi ibibigay nila kaagad yung papel. The second way po na makukuha is, di ba sabi ko, by email or by online. So you can apply it through their website, through online, but it will almost take, according dito sa kanilang website, it will take 30 days bago mo ma-receive. And even so, through mail. Kasi pwede ka naman mag-mail, mag-request sa office nila. So, much better talaga na pumunta ka doon. Konti lang naman yung pila para makuha mo kaagad yung iyong minimithing SIN. Or kung renewal man yan, basta proper documents lang ang dadalin mo, napakasimple lang, and you can have it right away. So, yun lang po ang aking ma-share tungkol dito sa pag-renew or pagkuha ng social insurance number dito sa Canada. That is all for today. I hope may natutunan po kayo again. And always remember, be happy, and God bless everyone. Till next time. Bye!